In this video I'm going to show you how to buy shares using the Trading 212 app and the Freetrade app. I've done a lot of research and I've come up with eBay as a possibility. It's a value share, but I will describe my reason behind this in another video. But we'll take it as read that I've decided upon eBay. And the way to find eBay using the Trading 212 app is you go to the magnifying glass where you put in a search and you type in eBay, it comes up eBay, and the price of the shares is $55.80. Now going to the Freetrade platform, similar process. Go to the magnifying glass where it says discover and you type in the company eBay, and it comes up eBay, and obviously the two screens look very similar. And if I want to invest, say, £5, I go to buy, and I can go to value, or you can go to number of shares, but we'll stick to value, and we put in £5, and we'll try here on the Freetrade app. We go to buy and we put in the value, number of shares or value, £5. So we've got £5 on both. We click our review order, and that comes up the details, the amount and number of shares, but the order will be placed tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Tomorrow is the 3rd of May, bank holiday in UK. The UK stock exchanges are closed, but that's not in the USA, and these are traded on the USA stock exchange. And we go to this will be a market buy using the Trading 212 platform, review order, market buy, free, and that'll be send a buy order because, as I say, the markets are closed and they'll be bought when the market's open. So we've got 2 orders, confirm buy order. This is on the Freetrade app. No, this is on the Trading 212 app. This is the Freetrade app. Send buy order. And if you scroll up, you'll see buy £5 at market value. It's a pending order for eBay. And on the Freetrade app, confirm by order. And I've just got to put in cancel. I've just got to put in the passcode, which I will just screen from you. I'll put this passcode in. And it's now sending the order, and it's queued, and that will be carried out tomorrow. So that is it. And you have got you still can cancel the order at any time up until the time the order is placed. So both are as simple as each other to use. This is the Trading 212 app, and this is the Freetrade app. And I'm a great believer in using both of these because competition is good. So yes, that is my explanation or demonstration on how easy it is to place an order or to buy a fractional share in a company. And this is the one I've chosen, is eBay, for many reasons. I've done a lot of research, but we all know eBay, and for £5 you can't go far wrong. So till next time, I bid you both, or all of you, a very successful investing adventure.